Hey everyone, welcome to the end of week one. So we've wrapped up some of our week one assignments already. The official due dates for the week one assignments were Wednesday for your first discussion post, and then on Thursday, which was the 24th of October, for your discussion post replies and finishing those quiz assignments. Now, because this is the first week, I want to grant some leniency here as we're all getting acquainted with our Canvas course. So if you have missed some of the assignments or haven't submitted them properly, you can go ahead and wrap those up by this Sunday, which would be October 27th. So I'll give you some leniency there. That way you can still get those assignments turned in and you won't have any late penalties or anything like that. Another thing I wanted to mention in this video was that I've made some small updates to our course page today. You might have gotten a little email notification or two about that. And so I think the biggest and most important change I created here is on our course page. You'll see under the web links, I've got a link to the Purdue OWL, and I also now have a link to that's called Canvas How To. And what you're going to see here are a series of videos put together by the Canvas folks, and it explains how to use Canvas overall. This was a video, or a similar video was posted in my welcome letter as well, so if you've already watched that, you might not need this one. Here's a video on how to access and view your student grades. Here's a video on how to use the discussion boards. So if anybody's still kind of unsure about how to use the discussion post tool, you can watch that video. Here's one for the quizzes. If you have any questions or concerns about the quiz assignments, about how to complete them correctly, you can watch that video. Here's a video on communication, and this kind of talks about a little bit of everything. It discusses using the inbox messaging tool within Canvas. That's a great way to stay in contact with your instructor. You can also contact other students that way as well. And the communication video also discusses discussion board posts as well. And then finally, this video provides instruction on how to upload your essay assignments into Canvas using the Turnitin software. So that's another thing that can be helpful. This video for the Turnitin software I also include in all the essay assignments as well. So you'll see that video thumbnail pop up when you click on the essay one assignment and so forth. So that's really the changes I made here for us here this first week, and I just wanted to bring those to your attention. Again, if you haven't completed all your assignments for week one just yet, you can complete those up until this Sunday, the 27th of October, and it'll still be considered on time. So I'm granting a little leniency there since we're getting acquainted with the page here, our course page. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. I'm also on campus physically on Mondays and Wednesdays from 1:25 to 2:25. And I'm over in the GE building, room 208. So that's where you can find me. Those office hours are also noted in the syllabus, so you can take a look at those there too. All right, have a great weekend, everyone, and we'll see you all next week.